Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I wanted to share with you some back to school accessory ideas. We're going to be adding some patches to my daughter's school backpack, dance backpack, as well as her lunchbox. And then we're also going to be customizing some water bottles. And then lastly, we're going to be making some cute keychains for her backpacks. So if you guys want to see what I came up with, then please keep watching. Alright, first up is her backpacks. I have two backpacks. One is for school, one is for dance. I got a ton of these patches from a mixture of JoAnn's, Michael's, and Amazon. So I'm just showing you here all the different patches that I've got. There are so many to choose from. It was really hard to pick. I also got some little charms, some little pins for her bags, and some ribbon to finish it with. And here I'm just showing you the pink backpack is for school. So I'm going to go ahead and start placing the patches where I want them, just getting a good idea of where I want them to stick. And then we will simply just be putting our hot iron over a towel and pressing them down so the glue melts. Now you can absolutely sew these on if you would like, but I don't have that much time and these are iron on specifically, so I went ahead and did that. So if these start to come off, maybe then I will sew it on, but they were on there pretty good. If you guys don't know how to use an iron or you rather sew, then go ahead and do that. This one is super simple and easy to do, and it's custom. My daughter's backpack is not going to get lost in the sea of backpacks at school, so I really love this one. Lastly, I'm just going to be adding her pins. I will probably hot glue these on just so she doesn't try to take them off or anyone tries to take them off. So here's the two trims I have. I couldn't decide which one I wanted, but I ended up going with the white pom-pom. So this is the only thing that I did actually sew on because you can't glue this down, it just won't stay very well. So I just cut it to fit and then sewed it on, and that's it. I did a super simple stitch here, guys, nothing fancy. I did not need to get my sewing machine out, I just looped it around and that was it. Alright, here's her dance backpack. It is a denim backpack I got from Amazon, super cute. I will be putting her name on this one with the gold iron-on letters. I did not put it on her backpack because they asked us specifically not to do that. I did put her name on her lunchbox, but her lunchbox will go inside of her bag. So just wanted to explain that. So now here I am doing the exact same process. I've got an old towel that I'm putting over it and just putting that hot iron on there for about 60 seconds just to make sure it's good and adhered. You just want to press down and make sure you get it on there really good. You have to be patient. Sometimes some patches take longer, but you just want to make sure it's good and adhered onto that backpack. So here I am showing you her lunchbox. I am sticking a piece of cardboard in there just to protect the cooler aspect of it on the inside of the lid there. So like I said, I did put her name on this one. And I'm just going to add these really cute little food patches I got from JoAnn's. I'm going to add a couple on there, not too many. How cute is this? Love this one. All right, next up is her personalized water bottles. I picked two of her water bottles we already had. Now I'm going to be taking these two name stickers I got from Etsy. I will link down below, as well as these unicorn and princess stickers from HobbyLobby. Now I am going to be putting these on her water bottle, but these water bottles will be hand washed only, so I don't have to worry about these coming off in the dishwasher. Just wanted to put that out there. So now I'm going to be putting her name sticker on there. Make sure you clean off that surface really well with rubbing alcohol so it sticks really good. I'm going to put the sticker on and just scrape it with a card just to make sure it transfers. And here's what it looks like. It's like a holographic clear. It's really pretty. Now I'm just going to randomly place her unicorn stickers on the water bottle, and that's it, guys. Nobody will take this water bottle home with them by mistake. It's very clear that it belongs to her. Now we're going to repeat the exact same process on the other water bottle. I just wanted to give you guys two different looks. And like I said, make sure you hand wash these. You don't want your stickers to be coming off. There's only going to be water in here, so it's not going to be very difficult to keep clean. Alright, and last but not least, we're just going to make some pom-pom like keychain charms. I got all these charms from Michaels and Hobby Lobby, some tassels, some pom-poms. I've got some lobster hooks, some jump rings. I will link everything that I can down below, as well as these little wood D letters. And then I'm going to be using some beads. I've had these beads from a previous DIY. So I'm going to take some white string, loop it through, tie it in a knot, and then we're just going to add our beads on there. I decided to do like a rainbow. Thought it was really pretty. I love these beads. They're super pretty. I will try to link them down below. They were sold out last time, so I could not link them, but I will do my best. Now I just added a jump ring on there so we can attach it to the key ring, as you can see. Now I got two little pom-poms. I got a white one and a pink one from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to attach that as well as a little purple tassel. I did go back through and add another unicorn charm just to finish it off, but these are so adorable. Really love these. So here is the other charm. I'm going to be making a unicorn one with some more beads. It's a little bit more simplistic. So I just went ahead and added my jump ring to the unicorn charm. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing as far as tying a knot on the string and looping on some beads. I did 3 strings of beads, as you will see here in a second. And I just alternated colors. Going to tie them in a knot and attach it to the jump ring, and then add all my charms to that ring, add it to the keychain, and that is it, guys. Really cute. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed these back to school DIYs. I know they're super simple. It didn't take me that long. It was just a matter of getting all the patches on there. I will link everything that I can down below if you guys want to try this yourself. It was really fun and easy to do. I even let my daughter pick out what patches she wanted. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be making a few more back to school DIYs, including some lunchbox ideas and a back to school like backpack cubby. So stay tuned, those will be coming soon. After all the back to school, we're going to start on our fall decor and DIY, so I hope you guys are ready. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!